Hello guys, I hope the audio is clear. I hope the audio is clear. Can you guys confirm me whether the audio is clear or not? Hello, what's today? Yo man, we're gonna go do some market analysis. We're gonna go look in deep into alts. We're gonna go look out for some chart patterns. I might teach you some chart patterns as well. So yeah, total live stream gonna be quite a productive one for sure. Okay, if it's clear, then let's begin. Okay, so yesterday, as I told you guys that, as I've told you guys yesterday already, that Bitcoin had an, you can say, a potential reversal zone somewhere right here at 22,900 zone. At 22,900 zone was Bitcoin potential reversal zone, you can say, and we exactly came down till here, and yeah, we come from 0.886 Fibonacci retracement as well, as you guys might see somewhere right here on 4 hours. This 0.886 resistance played a key role, and we pumped exactly from here. So yeah, now the targets for Bitcoin from this zone are gonna be, first target of ours is gonna be 23,260, then 23,459, and then 23,666, and then a new range high above 24. The analysis are same as previous one, but this time I'm just gonna clear more and more of how our TPs are gonna do. Furthermore, moving on to daily time frame. On daily time frame, you might see this very strong trend line on which Bitcoin has been working since past. There was a first tap, a second tap, and now there's another tap. So how this price action goes is, this price action is, you can say, is called Elliott waves price action. What happens is, let me get to the point. So this is gonna be our first extension, then retracement, then the next extension is gonna be above the previous extension, and then next retracement, and then another expansion. If we would have followed this pattern, then we would have surely broken out 27,000 zones. But yeah, we are somewhere right here until and unless this pattern is valid, until and unless we break this zone. We break the zone until and unless this pattern is gonna be valid. Yeah, this is the range low for it. So yeah, okay, so moving on to Ethereum. Let's see how Ethereum worked out. So you guys, Ethereum has this bearish pattern basically on chart, which had its potential reversal zone from 1778, and yeah, it surely did retrace from there. And the targets for this retracements, once we break down this certain key level, are gonna be somewhere like this. So yeah, this is all about Ethereum. Moving on to 4 hours time frame, let's see how Ethereum is working on it currently. Yeah, as you guys might see, what exactly I'm talking about is this: a shoulder, a head, another shoulder, and we retrace down. This is what you call how price action come together and work for making the patterns work. Another trend line we might draw for Ethereum is this: once we break down this neckline, yeah, we are gonna go down. Ethereum gonna fill over some entries, and yeah, we're gonna long it. Okay, moving on, you guys might tell me any kind of analysis you guys want, any kinds of thing you guys want. Before that, we are gonna go to Bitcoin dominance, and let's see how it's doing. Yesterday I posted a poll on Bitcoin dominance. How many of you wanted a Bitcoin dominance? We did it in our future group, and many of you voted for index update on Bitcoin dominance. So yeah, here it is. So Bitcoin dominance might fall somewhere till, you can say, there's a harmonic 2 on this one. Let me draw the harmonic and tell you the accurate figures. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance has fallen, yeah, exactly. This is how harmonic works. As you guys might see, 0.786 zone is potential reversal zone, and exactly from here we pumped. You saw we pumped from here, so exactly 0.786, and yeah, this is how harmonics work, and we have been rising since then. Let's see how our take profits, or you can say in other language, where Bitcoin dominance can lead us to. Here 41.31, then 41.35, and then 41.39, and then a new range high 41.52. In past 6 months, Bitcoin dominance has made a low of being the most low somewhere right here. If you see, let me go on monthly. If you see, we made a low somewhere right here, and yeah, what other we can say is another pattern on Bitcoin dominance could be this. Yeah, this was a very strong retracement point, 0.886, which is called, and yeah, it did play out. 0.886, this zone is from where Bitcoin dominance might rise, and it might rise till 52%, then to 56%, and then to 60%, and then it might make a new range high of 70%. This is what we see on monthly charts, but yeah, it will take a lot of time for monthly charts to play out. This might be for our next bear cycle or something like that. Okay, moving on to some USDT dominance update next. How is USDT dominance playing out? Let's see that too. We'll go to weekly. Okay, USDT dominance is currently on a support. Once we break down from here, we might see zones somewhere right here. So this will act as a support, this resistance will act as a support. Okay guys, let me tell you this thing which I have been focusing on our premiums as well. See how USDT dominance works. USDT dominance is how much funds has a retail trader or an individual trader has kept in US dollars waiting for a dump to invest. Okay, let me get it more clear cut. When keeping an eye, when the USDT dominance rises, market retraces. Let me write it for you and you guys can screenshot it. USDT.D rises, market correct. USDT.D falls, market pumps. So whenever I'm posting, you can see whenever I'm posting USD dominance or index updates, you might keep this in mind when considering USDT dominance in market, like I'll be posting today in our future VIP. So this is how our USDT dominance works on charts. So okay, so moving on, if we fall from here, then we might see higher zones for Bitcoin. We might break this very strong area and we might pump somewhere right here to 30,000, 27,000 zones, and yeah. Okay, moving on. Okay, if you guys haven't understood, let me get it more clear cut. Okay, let's focus on how USDT dominance works. See, what happens is, if a retail trader or an individual trader has got his money in US dollar, he won't be investing in it. He won't be investing in coins. First of all, let's see what dominance basically means. Dominance is how much dominating is US dollars compared to other things in market basically. So if you have US dollars, USDT in funds and not have invested it anything, obviously the market would stable or market would fall, because you are not investing it. It's not only you, it's many million of traders like you who are not just investing in it. So they hold their funds. While they hold their funds, they don't invest in it. When not investing in it, the coin either dumps or coin stays stabilized. But when the USDT dominance falls, it is when a retail trader, individual or institution, or somebody with US dollar gets into a coin, and yeah, that's when USDT dominance falls and we see a pump in market. I hope it was better understanding for you guys. let's go on to some analysis. Let's see for sushi. If you guys didn't understood Bitcoin dominance or any other thing, you guys might tell me. It won't be an issue explaining to you again and again. Okay, so moving on, sushi is currently on a very strong support. Sushi is currently on a very strong support, and it broke the support, was coming for a retest. If this retest would have been you can say a candle closure below this level, would mean that sushi is gonna go somewhere very low, but no, it didn't happen, and we were able to close above this zone, and since then we are again retesting this zone. If a retest to this zone is successful and we close few candles above this level, and then we break this trend line too. We have already broken this trend line, we are just giving a retest to it. If a retest is successful, then yeah, we might see an inverse head and shoulder forming too. You can see in head, in a shoulder, head, another shoulder, and yeah, we pump from here. This is how sushi is gonna do. Moving on to fun, let's go for FUN. Okay, and the coin is very volatile. You might consider this a shit coin, as you might see the VIX. Okay, so let me mark the support and the resistance first of all. This is what you call arranging trade. Arranging trade is where you can trade between a resistance and a support. A resistance, support, resistance, support, all the way to resistance, all the way back to support. Until unless we break this zone, we can't decide whether we are going here, and until unless we don't break this zone, we can't decide we are going here. So till then, this ranging market is very helpful to trade for newbies, as you can only consider support and resistance and trade them. Okay, USDT dominance. Tell me if you guys haven't understood USDT dominance still. I'll tell you guys. I'll again explain it to you guys. That won't be an issue for me at all. You guys can let me know. Okay, looking at USDT dominance on daily. Let me get some Fibonacci work done somewhere right here, and we see it. Yeah. So this pattern is called bullish Gartley. Bullish Gartley pattern is where you get 0.618 and 0.786 retracement. It should have retraced, it should have pumped back from here, but yeah, until and unless you don't break this zone, this X zone, we can't say that this pattern has been invalid. So till then we can understand, yeah, it's bullish, and it can rise somewhere till, let me see, somewhere till, yeah, this zone. Let me mark the targets. Somewhere till 7.64, then till 8, and then till 8.35. If we do this, then yeah, surely the market is gonna dump. And our you guys might not know this, but our Ethereum targets for you can see monthly are $600. Let me prove it to you guys with Fibonacci magic. You guys see this? This might be for our next bear cycle or some time later, but I'm just showing you guys how what are the targets for, you can say, Ethereum. It's 610. You see 0.786 played a major key role, and we pumped right from here. But yeah, for now we are just waiting. Okay, so moving on to mana. Moving on to mana, let's see how mana is doing. Okay, so let's go on to 4 hours. let me get this channel done right. And yeah, that's all for mana. We are trading in this range currently. We are currently trading in this range. This is some 14%, and all this is what you call ranging trades. We can trade somewhat like this. Okay, let's go to flow. And let me get this trend line again done. Let me get this triangle done for me. Once we break this triangle above or lower, then we might see a pump or a dump from here. This is how our mana trade will go. Okay guys, the accent is heavy, but yeah, I'll be improving it. And guys, this was all for today. Today we got to know about Bitcoin dominance, USD dominance, discuss Ethereum, Bitcoin, and some alts. We'll be focusing more towards things. Till then, it's a goodbye from me. We'll do another live session tomorrow. Hope to see you guys tomorrow as well. Thank you.